What's up guys, Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking a quick look at this Ford Performance strut tower brace kit and how you go about installing one into your S550 Mustang. This particular kit from Ford Performance is designed to brace the two strut towers together, as well as brace the two strut towers with the firewall. By doing this, you'll reduce chassis flex and add overall rigidity to the front end of your S550 Mustang. Included in the kit is a quote-unquote K-brace, as Ford Performance refers to it as, that braces the firewall with the two strut towers. You'll also get a strut tower brace that features a parallel beam design for structural integrity and is finished off in a very good looking black powder coat. In the center of the strut tower brace will be a stainless steel plate with a properly suited Ford Performance logo. This kit is designed to fit all 2015 to 2018 S550 EcoBoost and GTs that have a factory intake manifold. It will not fit cars with aftermarket intake manifolds, roots, or twin screw style superchargers, or the 3.7 liter V6. To begin the install, pop the hood and support it via the prop rod. Locate and remove the 3 push pins securing the battery tray cover. Remove the battery cover and set it aside. Remove the 2 rubber caps covering the wiper arm retaining nut. Loosen and remove the retaining nut. Wiggle the wiper arm back and forth to remove it from the actuator. Do this for the other wiper arm. Locate and remove the 7 push pin retainers that secure the wiper cowl to the firewall. Carefully lift up on the cowl to remove it. You can also easily lift up on this and remove the bolts with a ratcheting wrench. Loosen the positive battery cable with the 10mm socket. Remove it from the terminal. Loosen and remove the 2 15mm nuts securing the plastic brace from the passenger side of the strut tower. Loosen and remove the 4 13mm bolts securing the plastic brace to the firewall. Lift up and remove the brace. Go ahead and position the new K-brace into place. Ensure that the bolt holes pass over the studs on the strut tower. Reinstall the 4 13mm retaining bolts. Torque each bolt to 26 pound-feet. Reposition the cowl if you removed it. Be mindful not to damage the corner clips. Fully seat the cowl and reinstall the 7 push pins. Align the wiper arm with the mark on the windshield. Reinstall and retighten the retaining nut. Do this for the other wiper arm. Install the strut tower brace over the studs. Thread on the provided retaining nuts. Torque each of these nuts to 41 pound-feet. Reinstall the positive battery cable and retighten the 10mm hold-down nut. Reinstall the harness clip. Reinstall the battery cover. Go ahead and reinstall the push pins that secure the battery cover. Cycle the windshield wipers and adjust if needed. After that, you're all finished. This strut tower brace kit is going to appeal to the performance-minded S550 enthusiast that is wanting to improve overall chassis rigidity, all while adding some under-hood styling. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.